Here's some quick fire tips on bookmarking features in Unreal Engine 5. The Viewport bookmarks live here in the sandwich menu, and their keyboard shortcuts are Control plus number to save, number to load. For Blueprints bookmarks, you can find the menu in the window section here, then in the corner to save a bookmark, then double-click in the Bookmark tab to load a bookmark. You can also use Control plus number to save, Shift plus number to load. Do note that these quick bookmarks do not show up in the Bookmarks tab. Since not all of the Blueprint graph-based assets have bookmarks, there's a workaround to allow quick access to specific saved areas of the graph. For example, for materials, commenting your graph will allow you to access similar bookmark functionality. Although the content browser does not have native bookmark support, you can use collections and favorites to quickly toggle between commonly used assets and folders. Bonus: bookmarks. If you actually want content browser bookmarks, the Blueprint Assist plugin allows this functionality. It's Control plus Shift plus number to save, Control plus number to load. And if you're interested to do this in code, for Writer, you can use Control plus F11 plus number or letter to save, Control plus number or letter to load. Tune in every week for quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.